Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Meals by Yvette. Today we're going to be making a very easy, very simple yogurt bowl with fruit. We're going to be using this kefir mango flavored yogurt, half an apple, half a banana, and some seeds. First of all, you're going to need a small bowl, and then you just pour your liquid yogurt in there. You grab a spoonful of your chia seeds, give it a mix, give it a few minutes to expand in the liquid. Meanwhile, you can start cutting up your fruit. I'm using apple because it's got lots of fiber. Now you're going to be cutting the rest of your fruit using half of this banana. It's got potassium in it. This is a very easy, very simple, nutritious breakfast. And here you are. You just decorate it as you'd like. You can choose any fruit you have at home. And next I have some pumpkin seeds and some almonds, pieces of pecan, there you go, my friends. Your yogurt bowl is ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed this video with this very simple meal that you can prepare at home in just a couple minutes, and then you'll be on your way. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy.